Welcome to our channel. If you're a student looking to save on your purchases and enjoy a world of entertainment, Amazon Prime Student is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of joining Amazon Prime Student and unlocking exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Amazon Prime Student page. Start by navigating to the official Amazon Prime Student page. You can easily find it by searching Amazon Prime Student in your web browser. Step 2. Click on Start your 30-day free trial. On the Prime Student page, look for the Start your 30-day free trial button. Click on it to begin the sign-up process. Step 3. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Create your Amazon account and fill in the necessary details to set one up. Step 4. Verify your student status. After signing in, you'll be asked to verify your student status. Typically, this involves providing your school email address. Amazon will send you a verification email. Simply follow the instructions in the email to confirm your student status. Step 5. Fill out your payment information. Once your student status is verified, you'll need to enter your payment information. Remember, you won't be charged anything during your 30-day free trial, but you'll need this information to continue with the subscription if you choose to stay on after the trial. Step 6. Start enjoying your benefits. After completing your payment information, you're all set. You can now enjoy all the benefits of Amazon Prime Student, including free 2-day shipping, access to Prime Video, Prime Music, and more. Step 7. Make the most of your membership. Explore all the features of Amazon Prime Student. From exclusive deals on textbooks to discounts on various products, make sure you take advantage of everything your membership has to offer. Remember, as a Prime Student member, you can renew your membership for just half the standard Prime price for up to 4 years, as long as you remain enrolled in a qualified college or university. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your savings with Amazon Prime Student.